Hello friends, today I will tell you about Commission Junction and I will tell you how you can get affiliate ads from Commission Junction and add it to your WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website, digital-today.com, and in this post you can see I have here you can see the cursor. You can see a link. This is affiliate link which I have added in one password in this word, and just scroll down. This is a affiliate ad, you can see here, and scroll down more. This is also an affiliate ad. So how I have done it from Commission Junction. So for this you need to sign up an account with cj.com, and once you are signed in, you just need to add your website. This is my website, digital2.com. So I added my website to this platform. After that you just need to open this after logging in and click on this account. Once you click on account, you will get so many advertisement platform. From here you need to click on join program and join that program. After that you will get an approval mail from the affiliate service provider. From here, like, your application has been declined. So for this one, this my application is declined. You can see this one, and or any other, you can see this one. So initially they sometimes decline your application, they sometimes accept your. The advertisers approves publisher manually. Your application itself will be set to pending application, and the advertiser will contact you if approved. Okay, just close it. So I have applied for it. So you need to do it for a specific advertisers as per your choice. So I have already joined several uh, affiliate marketing companies. So in this home section of the dashboard, you just click on joined. I have already joined them one by one. So these are the affiliate marketer which I have joined, like 1Password, Fiverr, Hostinger, Namecheap, Rebuild, and so forth. So I was talking here in this post about 1Password. So herein I will just click this 1Password, and after clicking it, this page will open up, and herein you need to click here this link, get links. Just click over it. After clicking it, this page will open up, and here you can find there are so many types of ads. Their sizes also varies. You can see 720 into 334 logo. So their height and width varies. uh, and this one which you have seen here, this link, I got it from here. This is a text link. You just need to click here, get code, and here you can see these codes. This is HTML, JavaScript, and click URL. I just copy this code and go to your post, and I suppose you know how to link up a word in WordPress. After copying it, just copy it, go here, and you just need to hyperlink it in WordPress. Similarly, you can also put images of the post like these ones by copying the code and pasting it on your WordPress website. So I have shown this on for particularly for the post. You can also do it for pages as well by using the same process, just copying and pasting codes or hyperlinking words on your WordPress platform. So it's taking a little bit of time, maybe because of the internet issue. So let it open first, then I will show you how I have done it. Just this copied link, I need to hyperlink it, but make sure to choose correct affiliate platform that suit your website. So here you can see I have hyperlinked it. To hyperlink it, you just need to copy this place, click here this position and paste that code here, yeah, like I have done it. Okay, so now I'll show you how to add a this banner. So again go to this place, click on get code. From here you can get this HTML code, copy it, and herein where you want to, like I have done it this one, just click on this text, this section, scroll down and just paste the code. Just wait for a while. As per your internet speed, it will show you this pages and codes. So you just need to copy it and paste it here. You don't need to do anything special, just copy paste it and click on update. Similarly with this one, I took the code from here and pasted it on that place only. This one was that I got the code from here. This is the HTML code, not Java code, and make sure that get only HTML codes, not Java ones. It is taking little bit more time. Let me refresh the page and see. I hope you got some knowledge and you might have come to know how it works. Now it is working. I clicked on text and you can see I have just pasted the code here. This is the code which I have pasted for this ad. Similarly, I have pasted a code for this ad as well in my post. So you can just select the particular places and make sure to check the right paragraph where you want to include this ad, like below certain paragraph or something. Wherever you want it, just select the right place. So and click on update after that. So in case you face any problem to work on Commission Junction, just let me know by commenting below in the comment section, and you will also get money on your Commission Junction account. As of now, from this publisher I have not gotten money, but from other publisher I have been receiving money constantly. So you can join many other programs on Commission Junction and start making money. And I would like to tell you that this affiliate marketing pays more than any other advertisement platforms, and you get more commission on this Commission Junction. So on Commission Junction you can get so many advertisers on one platform instead of contacting them one by another. So just sign up for Commission Junction and just let me know in case you face any problem by commenting. And in case you like this video and want to view my upcoming videos, just subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, bye bye and take care.